Hello friends, today we will speak about how to install virtual environment with CMD. So let's start. We must go to our directory. So in my case is this CD desktop. After I will write mkdir YouTube, I will make one YouTube folder. I go to this YouTube folder, CD YouTube. I will create virtual environment folder. It will take a little bit time. Okay, it must be, yes, I'm here. I will go to CD environment folder. After, I will activate my scripts. I'm in my virtual environment. You can see it before. And now I will install, for example, pandas bibliothèque. You can see all installation. It will take a little bit time. So we wait. It will collect all packages. NumPy. Drink a little bit coffee. And we are finished. Now we want to look which version we have. So we'll go inside Python. If you don't have Python, please install Python. And now we will import pandas SPD. We import this library and we will look which version we are using. And you can see it's version 2.2.2. So thanks for watching. I hope it was useful.